So this time, I think the new project that I have done with, I mean, the AI, the Replit AI agent has done with with the AI, it's more complex because it consists on building a fine-tuning LLM to create our own LLM based on generalistic engine, which is OpenAI 3.5, um, starting from PDF files. Uh, I was thinking and I was waiting to publish this experiment to be perfect, but I decided to publish it also with the failures, and because something went very well, some others specifically for fine tuning were not. So it's probably useful to see a video that shows what worked and what need to be improved. So the first part of the experiment was related. I mean, I was meant to build an LLM fine tuning, but I had to split the instruction in small chunks. And the first thing I have done is to create a PDF upload system, which is easy. And as you can see here, we have the prompt, a web-based PDF management platform, file detail, fine-tuning status indicator, text preview functionality, etc., etc. And the system have done it. I mean, very very well. It's good. I mean, it's working as expected. And as you can see here, we have the page where we have. I mean, I haven't just to specify. I haven't built it anything. I mean, the system built it on its own. We have the upload file here, we have the file preview here with something that is wrong because it was not. I mean, I fixed it in another iteration, and then we had the delete function, everything. So it was working. It's perfect, but it's just a small step. No, I mean the only thing here. Oh no, we don't have yet the PDF conversion library. So the system works well. Delete everything. The first part worked very very well. So, stupid me, when I've parsed through the PDF library which was working, I thought that I was ready to upload the model inside OpenAI and fine tune it, but I was wrong because the system parsed plain text and we had to generate the metadata, the JSON file of metadata. So, the parsed file I have asked the agent to create the metadata, which are here, that was ready to send to fine tune and train the model. And this part went extremely smooth. So at this stage, I was ready to send the metadata to OpenAI. So first of all, I have connected, and the agent asked me my token, my key for the API access, which I have provided. And then what happened? That the system have created this icon on its own on a magic wand that open a model here that give the possibility to create a new job, which is perfect. I mean, and the system has done it on its own initiative to open a model and choose the way to show the job. First of all, it tried to create something on GPT-4o, which say it doesn't exist. So I've asked the agent to go to 3.5 Turbo, which the job has been done. And then when you click create a new job, the system asked validating file. And this was the first problem. I'm still not able to let the agent understand that once the system validate files, then you have to change the status on complete. That was the first thing I'm struggling, which proves that yet, probably in 2 months, this will be solved. AI have difficult on fine tuning what it has done already. That said, I've been charged few cent of dollars for specific file to be trained on OpenAI. That means that the fine tuning was happening, was successful, and I have received an email saying, "Okay, the fine tuning job is completed." So the fine tuning was working very well, but the problem was no update on our end here on the software. The last part where I had more challenges was I have asked to create a report system to show how many jobs have been done, how many have been failed, and blah 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 blah. And by the way, those data are in the database because the agents say, "Hey, Cla, I do have three good jobs and two failed jobs. I will show in the dashboard," but the dashboard never worked. And the last part was uh, showing a download button here to download the fine-tune model. So here the button sometimes appear, sometimes disappear, which is strange, but in any case it didn't download anything. And then the report page, it's an empty job. I mean, no statistics are available, so the system is struggling. I think that there are correlation between the fact that the system failed to set the complete status on some job. I also tried to work around this, but it didn't work. So, as you can see, when we go to fine tuning or asking a complex iteration with more variables, it's more a prompt job. And by the way, I haven't done a good job on prompts, I think. Let's say there are limitations. It will be funny to see this video in 3 months when everything will go smooth because the models are will be way better. I hope that this is useful for you for a couple of things. Understand how to automate your coding job and fast prototyping, and try to understand what will be the future of work. Thank you.